Today I'm going to show you how we install booth benches at a common restaurant. Today we're at a steakhouse in Pennsylvania, so come on, I'll show you. First, you move the tables out of the way if it's possible. A lot of these benches hook into these small wood panels. These click into the booth benches. So we make sure that we're facing the right direction. And since these are all the same size, make sure that these go latched into some of these spots here. And there you go. There's one of them. This little piece of wood is behind here. That way it clicks in, it's safely attached. All right, let's give it a shot. Carefully slide it in at an angle. We'll make sure it's at an angle. Push it inward. And then it should click in. Make sure by pulling it forward and back that this bench is secured, that way no one gets hurt. Want to make sure that it's level. Making sure that there's no huge wobbles. And there you have it. It's installed. Alright? If you don't want to suffer with bad seating when you're having dinner, give Upholstery a call and you'll never have to worry about that. Alright, I'll see you guys later.